So today we'll solve this green color, the first one, and this will be the right position. First hold it like this, two fingers down and third one on the top with red as a main imported one. So this is the top color, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, first, second, first. Formula is repeat this 7 times, repeat this 7 times, repeat this 7 times, same for this. So let's start. Hold the center of the red one with this and the two fingers down, top, 1, 2, top, below, top, below, top, below. Repeat 66 times the same one. Repeat until you get. Now you got this orange. Focus on this orange and this. Rotate, turn. You got 4 colors. This is pending. This, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the bottom. Rotate, bring front. As it happened. Rotate, bring to bottom, then turn for the right. Next, same. Repeat for the green one. You got 5 green. Next, for here you got 6 green. Now this end and this end both are here. To bring it together, rotate as much as possible. Rotate to the center, bring it to the top, rotate to the center, bring it to the top, rotate the center, bring it to the top. And the color came as this. Now the same for all of this. Rotate, bring it down. Now focus on the white.